throwing nets all night and nothing to show for it.
Sail into the deeper water and cast out your nets.
Who said that?
Wasn't me.
It wasn't me. Look, I know you're trying to help, but we've been fishing these waters our whole lives, and I can tell you, nobody's ever caught anything over there. But, thanks anyway.
Come on. What's the worst that could happen? We catch less fish?
Fine, whatever. But I'm telling you, we are not going to see a single fish.
Have you ever seen so many fish?
No, I can't believe this. There's so many, the net's about to break.
It's a miracle!